Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Marie and I'm going to show you how to do some mindful breathing with a breathing ball. So we're going to place the breathing ball just in front of our tummy, and as we breathe in, our tummy is going to be getting bigger and the breathing ball is going to be getting bigger. So let's try. So breathing in, breathing ball is getting bigger and our tummy is getting bigger, and breathing out slowly. Breathing ball is getting smaller. Well done. Breathing in, filling up our tummy with air and making that breathing ball as big as we can. And slowly breathing out, letting all that air out. And let's try that again. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Well done. That was super, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me.